Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to make YouTube faceless video. Creating these videos is really simple because you can get each and single thing with the help of AI. The first thing you require is image, which you want to use just for example. If you want to use images in your video, then you can use Leonardo, Sora, or Midjourney for creating images. What you have to do in Leonardo, simply, you have to write your prompt, and Leonardo will create images. As you can see, these images are created by Leonardo. The only thing I write is a boy standing in front of ocean, and below you will get the desired image. Once you will get, click on the option download and download this images. If we talk about Sora, here you have to do the same thing. Simply describe your image and Sora will generate image. If we talk about Midjourney, then you can't use it for free, you must need a subscription. Once you will get the images, download all the images one by one, and then time to do the voiceover. You heard about different websites, but I will recommend you do use 11lab, because 11lab will give you 10,000 free characters. By using that, you can generate up to 12 minutes voiceover without purchasing any plan. Once you will get the voiceover, the last and most important thing is music. How can you find music for your faceless video? No need to worry because you will find no copyright music in YouTube. Here you will see, this channel will provide music without having any copyright. Simply get access of this channel and look for your music which you want to use in your video. Once you have every ready, time to edit. Editing depends on you which software you use. I mostly use Adobe Premiere Pro, but if you don't have Adobe, then use CapCut or Clipchamp. You can download CapCut or Clipchamp for free. Adjust the footage, voiceover, and music properly in the timeline of your software. Apply some transition, effects, and also try out captions, because caption make your video look great and then upload it on your YouTube channel.